All right, we made it to my favorite store. We're in IKEA in Canton, Michigan. Ready for this? This is what 10,000 pounds looks like right here. Let's go up to you. The indicator doesn't work. I mean, look at this. It's the size of a room. Let's go down to M. Instant door close. How do you like that? I mean, this is fantastic. The other one's right next door here.